How do I tell what Windows 10 Feature Edition I have? So with Windows support now being tied to the Feature Edition that you have of Windows 10, it's important to know exactly which one it is you have. It's actually not that difficult to find out. If you go over to your Start button, right-click on it, and then click on System up there in the menu. That'll bring up a fairly large dialog that includes, among other things, all sorts of information about your PC. You may need to scroll down a little bit, but as you can see here in my edition, I'm running Windows 10 Home version 1903. That's the feature edition of Windows 10 that I happen to be running. That determines a bunch of things, including, of course, the feature set that you happen to have in the PC, but also it actually determines when the end of support for this particular edition of Windows will happen. More on that in an Ask Leo article. This is Leo Notenboom. This is askleo.com. Thanks for watching.